Inside this video, so I will show on how to add end screen for all your video, whether your existing video or the new videos where they try publish. I will show on how to add end screen. We all know how important we end screen they, because when you add end screen to your video, when people watch that particular video finish, at the end of it, your other video, whether the ones we relate to that particular video or the ones where they talk about another topic, will appear. So you will give those people the chance for them to still click on your video, then they watch more of your video, or still, even though they don't click on, YouTube will still recommend them to that particular video where you put there at the end of that particular video. But if you don't put this end screen, YouTube no go feel recommend them. Another people video now go show at the end of your video. So if you ask now, what will be the gain for you to put end screen for your video? The gain be say, one, you go make people they watch more of your video, because when people watch your video finish, at the end of it they can't still see another of your video, they will click on it, they watch another of your video, they will click on it, they watch. And you know YouTube, they like when viewers they stay for people channel. For example, when you watch my video, at the end of my video you see another video, you click up, you watch again, and when you watch and finish, you still like the video, another of my video will still appear again, you will just the watcher. By so doing, they give the YouTube algorithm the signal that you like this video with this person they do, and YouTube gonna go now help they push your video. And not only that, when people they watch from one of your video, you watch another one, you watch another one, now they give you more view, and also they give you more watch hour. So in case you don't know what it be end screen, make I just show you what it be end screen for system now. For example, this my video now, make I open this my video now. So make I open the video large. So I go forward the video to the end. Okay, now so make I allow them now there towards the end. Now. So you see now at the end of this my video now, you see my other video don't appear. These two video will appear here, and an end screen that they call them. You can choose to put one or put two, depending on what you want. So, but for this video now, people now, like say at the viewer, I watch this particular video and I like them, I go like to click one of the video again and start to watch. Even though if I don't click, I'm just allow them see the video don't come out, but YouTube don't recommend another of my video again to this same person where they watch this thing, where they watch this particular video. So now end screen that they call them. So my people, without wasting much time, make a show on how do they do add this end screen for all your videos. In case now your first time where they come across this channel, so welcome to Chinedu Talk YouTube for Pidgin language. The best thing we go do for us so now to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime we publish videos where they important like this, where you go learn from, YouTube go send you notification to tell you say we don't publish new video, make you go watch out. So without wasting much time, we enter the business of the day. To add your end screen to your existing video, so all you just need to do is just to go to your YouTube studio, click on the YouTube studio. When you click on your YouTube studio, so when you click on your YouTube studio, you go towards the left side where they write content. You click on the content. So when you click on the content, you look for that particular video where you want to add end screen to. So me, this first one here, I want to add end screen to this first one. So click on it. Just click on it here on the title. So when you click on it, it go open. So when you open, you come towards the right hand side here. You scroll down. So when you scroll down, you go see where they put title, end screen, and cards. So you just click on the end screen. So when you click on the end screen, it will give you something like this. It will show you something like this. So once it show you something like this, if you look up here where they put elements here where they write element, the element means what you want to use as your end screen. That video you want put, or you want put your playlist. We all know how important the playlist they, or you want put your subscribe button, or you want link, you want put another channel here. So you will just click on it. Then when you come for this box here, they give you option to choose whether you just want give your viewers just one particular option to choose one particular video at the end of your video. Then you click this, which is with a subscribe button, or you want to give them two option, you click it, or whichever one you want to do. Then the design, whether you want it at the middle, you want it by the side, then you click anyone. For me, I always put two video at the end of my videos. So now I will select this particular one here where I write one video, one playlist, and subscribe button. So if I click this, it will appear on the video. So when it appear on the video now, see here, I'll need to reduce the length of it. Reduce the length of it so that you're not going to show when the video still they show still they show something where they're very important. You're going to cover the place. So here I go reduce them all now. So I don't reduce them to this place. So when you reduce them to the way you want, then when you click on this first one here, this first one show you my logo, which is the subscribe button. Then the second one also shows you video best for viewers. So video best for viewers, I believe YouTube know the particular video where they good for viewers. That means video particular video where they your channel where viewers they like well. Then if you do okay with it, just allow it. YouTube on its own to put that video here. But if you know they okay on its own, then you can come here. Either you choose your recent video. If you click here to be recent video, so you go choose the recent video where you just upload before this particular one, you go put them here, or you come down here, you say choose specific video. So if you click choose specific video, it will take you to where your video is there. So now you get to choose the particular video where you want put for there. So for me, I will look for one of my video where they do very well. I'll put this one there. So now the second one, which is our playlist. If you get so many playlists, now you need to choose which particular playlist you want put there. So I get so many playlists, so I need to click on it. Then when you click on it, then it will bring this playlist for you. When you click on this playlist, it will take you to where your playlist there for you to now choose a particular playlist where you want to make it appear there. So I will click this now. So if I click this, that means automatically I don't put end screen for this video. At the end of this video, you go see YouTube would advertise this video. You go show these two video where they here, which the viewer, if they like the one where they don't watch and see the one where come up, they like the topic, they go still watch them again. So after you don't do them, just click save. So when you click save, you don't automatically put end screen for this video. And that is how to put end screen for every of your existing video. Any video where you want publish, once you don't edit it, once you don't do all the settings, you reach where you go now go click whether you want the video to go public or not. Then you go scroll down, you go see the end screen. That is the process of putting end screen to the video. So if you watch this video up to this very time, I believe you get value. All you just need to become part of this family now, just to click on that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that anytime we publish videos like this, YouTube will send you message to let you know say we don't publish important videos like this.